A very good morning and a warm welcome to each one of you present here to celebrate the migration of equity shares of Prime Fresh Limited. Prime Fresh, I would say, is a shining example to all these small and medium enterprises, which are good performing companies but still dread the path to grow their company through raising equity from the capital markets. An example of Prime Fresh, I would like to say, when the company was listed, the revenues were 24 crores. Now the revenue has increased nearly 10 times, and the profits have increased over 30 times since the time it has been listed. The market capitalization of the company has also grown from 21 crores to 264 crores. So this is the growth that the company has seen in just 8 years. The listing of Prime Fresh on the main board is a significant milestone reflecting the company's growth, stability, commitment to excellence. This achievement is a tribute to the team of Prime Fresh, dedication and trust that you have earned from your investors. A few words about the exchange. As you're all aware, BSE is the largest exchange in the number of listed entities. We have over 5,000 listed entities on the main board, and today there is one more, Prime Fresh, also coming onto this exchange. This is the oldest working public institution, and I am proud to share that BSE has entered its 150th year of existence. Over the past 150 years, the exchange has successfully offered efficient capital raising platform to many companies in India. BSE looks forward to be the preferred fundraising partner continuously to the company as it expands its reach and grows its scale. I wish this entity all the very best. Thank you.